Good day everyone. Your Windows 11 is slowing down because of these wrong settings. Change them now before it's too late. So the very first setting is disable background apps. Stop useless apps from running silently, freeing up RAM and CPU instantly. So how we can do that? By doing a right click in the start icon, go to settings, and here we will go to apps, and then we will go to installed apps, and you can check one by one like this and go to the advanced option and let this app run in the background. Since it is for the wallpaper, you can let it run. However, whatever the app you do not want to be running in the background, you can simply select never. So let's say this Mozilla Firefox doesn't have that option. I'll go with, let's say, Microsoft 365 Copilot. I'll go to advanced option and let this app run. I'll just select never. So in the background it will not run. However, whenever you open it, you will be able to use it. So this is the first one, and the second one is turn off the startup programs. So if you have bought a new computer or it's a very old computer, you should check the startup programs. So to check that, we need to open the task manager. So I'll do a right click in the start icon. I'll go to task manager, and this is for especially Windows 10 and Windows 11, especially Windows 11 because this operating system is a Windows 11 computer. So once you open the task manager, you go to the startup apps and check the status here. You can sort it out like this by clicking and see which all applications are enabled at the startup. You can also check the startup impact on it. So by any chance, if you see any useless app running at the startup, stop it by just doing a right click and click on disable at the startup. Make sure you do not do anything with the security, sound, graphics, and just go with the useless apps, or you do not use those apps. Now the third one is change the power mode to best performance. Because if you want to unlock full CPU, GPU potential for smoother multitasking and gaming, you should change the power mode to best performance. So I'll do a right click on the start icon. I'll go to settings, and then we will go to system, and here we will go to power and battery, and power mode, I'll select plugged in, best performance. On battery, you can keep it balanced, it's up to you, but I'll go with the best performance, especially if you are a gamer. So now the fourth step is to disable ads and suggestions and remove Microsoft hidden tracking and improve your privacy. So we need to go to this privacy and security, and under Windows permission, there is recommendation and offers, advertising ID or personalized offers. I'll click on that. I have turned it off. Improve start results. Let Windows improve results by tracking. So I have turned it off. You can also check one by one and turn off like this. Now the fifth option is optimize storage with cleanup recommendation. So to do that, we need to go to the settings, which we are already there. And here we will go to system, and then we will go to storage, and then we will go for the cleanup recommendation. So it instantly clears junk, temp files, and frees GBs of space. So I can see the cleanup recommendation is already there. I have also got the download folder containing 7.36 GB. So you can also check your download folder, and if you're sure that you want to delete, you can simply check mark. And here you have the large unused files sync to the cloud. You can check and clean. So it is the recommendation you need to, let's say if I want to clean the download, I'll click on clean up system recovery log files. So it is good, and you can check the large files which you're not using it. You can simply select that and then clean up. So do these 5 changes once and your Windows 11 feel like a brand new PC. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your loved ones, family and friends. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.